What's the difference between a bug-out bag and a get-home bag? Knowing which one to pack could mean the difference between safety and struggle during an emergency. A bug-out bag is designed for long-term survival. It contains essential items to sustain you for 72 hours or more. Think of it as your leave-now backpack, perfect for natural disasters or widespread emergencies when a fast escape would mean the difference between life and tragedy. On the other hand, a get-home bag is a compact, lightweight pack meant for short-term emergencies. Its primary goal? To get you safely home. It's ideal for keeping in your car or workplace for unexpected events like road closures or sudden evacuations. When deciding which to use, consider your lifestyle, environment, and risks. Live in a wildfire-prone area? A bug-out bag is your go-to. Commute daily? A get-home bag is a must-have. Whichever you choose, focus on quality over quantity. Prioritize items like water purification, first aid supplies, and multi-tools. Remember, the best backpack isn't the one with the most gear. It's the one that helps you stay prepared, mobile, and calm in a crisis. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at iSurviveThrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our iSurviveThrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.